This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling all ingredients and tools. 6 colored liqueurs or juices measured in 1 Oz or 1/2 Oz increments, a tall clear glass, a bar spoon, and a jigger. Chill liquids and prepare 1 cup of crushed ice to help preserve layers and slow diffusion. Place a small bowl of cold water nearby for rinsing the spoon between pours, and line up bottles in order from densest to lightest so you can work steadily and avoid spills. Begin layering by pouring the densest liquid first, grenadine or a syrup at 1.5 Oz is ideal and should sit at the bottom. For each subsequent layer, hold a bar spoon upside down just above the previous layer and pour the measured 1 Oz or 1/2 Oz slowly over the spoon to disperse the flow and prevent mixing. Always order layers by specific gravity, not by color. Test a small 1/4 Oz sample when your final thin layer is in place. Optionally top with 1/4 Oz clear soda or tonic to add a light sparkle without disturbing layers. Serve the rainbow cocktail immediately in the chilled tall glass, placing a straw near the glass edge so sipping draws from all layers. Use a garnish like a citrus wheel on the rim for visual contrast. If any colors blur, refrigerate the glass for 5 minutes to let densities resettle. Then remove condensation and garnish just before serving to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.